Governor Blo Morobe.
Thank you, Drew. Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Me kirap lo ask him question without notice. But before me ask him, me kirap want him sense of humility. Deputy Speaker, this last year me sit down and CM travel to mas, sue me to mas. I don't plan on me ba worry last year, or me ba sit down going to the soon nogat. Me sit down some was here lo risla, wasman lo sa here. Antar lo risla, Mr. Deputy Speaker, me like Suruke Mouse Blue, you, me, Deputy Prime Minister, or a member Blo Morobe. Since mix him here, me to thank you long, Prime Minister, online lo government, online lo opposition, all provincial governors, belong over the province, so you come no same respect, long late Governor Blumipla, Honorable Luther Wenge, me to thank you through, Loresla floor. Passing you make him, custom you make him, way you come, big pla, bell, amomas, that thank you, Blong Morobe, begin him lay me ogata. Over the line we come, Mama Serigin, me to thank you through, or brother Shupla come, Medeng, Island Shupla come, Nugin Island Shupla put in boat, Kesim Kege, Semogara passing, blow in a custom limit, looks have a leader time go. Lord, there's a time now, mark him, mouse from me, blogger, the Morobe leaders, me to thank you, all honorable leaders, Lord, there's the floor. Mr. Deputy Speaker, question blow me, Mikira Blong ask him, I'm going works minister. Mr. Deputy Speaker, as soon as I took office and my election by our honorable members on this floor, long tutumang, a week ago, we had a lot of issues confronted Lomipla long province. One of the major ones was raised to me by member for Bulolo and seconded by a member for Minyama, including member for One Gulf and member for Wau. Mr. Deputy Speaker, the question on the Lay Bulolo Wau Highway. Mr. Speaker, my question goes to the Works Minister. When we started the Connect PNG program, it's a very good program for us to connect the entire Papua New Guinea by either by road, and at the same time we would see power lines being extended, towers being erected for us to connect by mobile communication and all that sort. So it was a very good program. Now, my questions are one, Mr. Deputy Speaker, through long you, Works Minister, this la road now go bagarap now. And when I sat as a colleague minister on the floor, I had a couple of my fellow members from my province as well as my governor raise it on this floor now. This la road economic highway, Mr. Deputy Speaker, no Nupla project, no Nupla road, no pilot track, it's an existing economic corridor. Now my question is, what are we doing? I know there's a couple of programs running concurrently on that road, and that road too will link back Kamosemlo Gulf na Kamlo Mosby. But while all that is happening, what is the current status of the road? Which contractors are currently working on that road? Because our people continue to suffer every day, and that burden is now placed on members and now placed on me to put it on the floor. So number one, status of contract. Now, used workload is the road. Number two, Mr. Deputy Speaker, through long you, long Works Minister, and I hope the Treasurer can take note of this question. Time you categorize him all, Connect PNG Road, what category or what criteria are we using in terms of valuing that which road comes first? An economic corridor road, and just a road that comes under Connect PNG to connect people? Or how do we categorize this road? For example, my road that I bring to the attention of the Works Minister now is an economic corridor road. Existing businesses are using it. Now, no disrespect, Mr. Deputy Speaker, when we are trying to tender new roads for an assumption of an economic value and stuff, but we must also give consideration, Mr. Deputy Speaker, to roads that are already earning tax and bringing in revenue into our pockets. So such as this road now. So Mr. Deputy Speaker, through you, Treasurer, you be making economic modeling along some the road so that you can survey which ones and priority economic corridor roads instead of you making more road. Now me place it on record that road blummy, I won't play economic corridor. That plantual businesses were stopped, including Wafigolpu, Eden Valley, and a lot of alluvial mines were member blong. Warrior bringing forth, all are clustered around that center and they exist out of the lifeline of that highway. Number one. Number two, Number 3, Mr. Deputy Speaker, the contractors who are working on the road, can we have it placed on record on this floor, Deputy Speaker, through you, that we get some independent contractors who can go and check those roads. Without us, works, you may have him contract, now you may go check him again. Let's have independent people. Are we going to have independent people check our roads so we get value for money and we know exactly what is happening? Now, this law independent people were project managers or line monitoring must have high credibility. Someone's talking me through. So this last Kim Blomi come along, Works Minister, please. One in time by administrative, this la road. Now 2, this la road them long time, minap you talk out low set contractor work. Now me lo provincial government with the moga members le lo Morobe, ready lo work one time you, kina for kina ni administrative mis la road, now you can fix him. Oga the Narbla road or some member of the WIWEC, Arpla members on this floor. I'll put him so Deputy Speaker, thank you, lo give him time, lo me.
Honourable Minister for Works.
Thank you, through you, Speaker. Me too, like this time. Awesome. Wabla District Kamlo Momase, me like congratulate him, newly elected Governor of Morobe. Me also Magi Mouse Plong all Greater Civic, not like to thank you. Congratulate him, you law. Probably 14 or 15 months, but you was a governor, big blah. Number 2 city, me blah, Morobe. Me like to big blah, thank you, lo you. Now congratulated me, lo this blah. Good blah question, lo road, lo lay, lo 14 mile kamogoda lo. Bulolo, golo Wau Highway, golo Miniamia. Now also, Emi kamoselo Transnational Highway come hit him for most people. But road, you raise him up all questions. Namelo, 14 mile come long. Bulolo, this blah road, economic road, blah sawa contributing big blah tax. He got hidden valley mine, all forestry, all alluvial gold, all walk man to walk lost blah hub. So this blah road, very, very important road, blah mipla Papua New Guinea. Problem one time this blah road, time before mipla after me, even got all program been istabananilo TSSP program where istabananilo program long OSAID. No been istabananilo government lo Papua New Guinea. He got certain all roads where ADB kisim, all TSSP bin kisim, all World Bank bin kisim. So this plus section lo Bulolo Kamlo layem all TSSP program. So underneath the TSSP program, only got whole program where only we put in funding, but they got process long all. That's why this process has been taking time. All funding only put in funding lyric na kilometer big pla. So mipla been giving contract lo start lo 14 mile, come long governances na go on tablo Timini, almost 27 kilometer. All classic he been coming na only engage him. Subcontracting rapla contractor coming. Kaya works coming only still him 27 kilometer. Start lo Timini come down lo Kumalu and 20 kilometer more where Emily no been still him this plahab. So this plahab section start was him. He been got rapla contractor to been coming lo work maintenance too. But this plot 27 kilometer na come for almost 47 kilometers is cost 60 million. 60 million is not enough to build 47 kilometers. So, we play talk. Lo start lo Kumalu River, you got contractor base all the time lo. Straight in this Plawara, so that all man must cross him. This Plawara, all right. Start, come down lo Banglum, na go over lo Sambios, Samsam, come over lo Bayun, go down over lo. Bulolo, go under lo. Bulolo na top pine come down this plahab, you got big alluvial mining activity. So time all road them stop cross to Larelo Wara. Time all alluvial walk come up, all walk David in Wara go come, every come na affect him or roads to this plus section. So I be giving Mipla this problem. But I mean Mipla na stop him. So Mipla government yet he start lo put him money. Put him contractor start finish law. Kumalu full-time contractor staff. And then come lo banglum na come over lo Bulolo. You got contractor kaya work si come na start work lo splahap. So me play start put him money lo maintenance lo work long end. While me play work stop, me play got all ADB now me play engage him now. So me play like time long straight in this plan. So ADB now start lo design in this road. Now me long Komalu bridge, but me play must work him overhead bridge lo this plan Komalu. Lo bypass him. So design is underway. And then from Komalu come lo Banglum na come over lo Bulolo. All ADB will start working design now stop. Come out lo Miniamia. So once this design come out, everybody go want them design long all ECP now WCP all inland inland but the coastal road me tolongan all ADB go inside finish na start design. So once this design may come out, we'll get some loan. Also while working on loan, like to thank you law. Government too long increase in tax credit, law 2% now go 3%. All line also pay tax. All mining company stop also Bulolo. All line mipla. All this all mining stuff now. All Eden Valley will also come in with tax credit as well, and then we will start solving some of these issues. This road namelo Bulolo Miniamia na kamotololei. So me like talk Asurim Governor Blo Morobe. Newly elected Governor of Morobe Osem, we are onto it. We play like time law. Slowly, we play yet kisimna. I start work law this road. So this program we come in, got process play you me work long and was this play so let me been taking long time. So me like Asorim Governor Osem road, me play onto it. We'll work on that. And then we like talk thank you to Osem. Me play connect him road lo Gulf lo Morobe. And by end of this month, December, we play also Rim Kapman house wanted people to awesome road, car, Prime Minister, me yet by me make sure this road and me go drive Kamokotalo here now, so Prime Minister too by drive Kamokotalo late. This plan, talk Mr. Finish, you may work long end. So me like Asurim Governor awesome. That road is road from Port Moresby all the way to Ley, Momase and into Highlands. So we will, under this government, we are giving that priority to make sure we'll seal, maintain and also seal in good display road. So I'm by priority road, Thank you, Speaker.